In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace. By the end, your store will be ready to accept secure online payments through Stripe, which powers credit and debit cards, and in supported regions, wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Before we jump in, a quick note on readiness. Make sure you have admin access to your Squarespace site and a Stripe account that's eligible in your country. It also helps to have your business details handy because Stripe may ask you to confirm information for compliance. If your store currency and business country don't match, update those in Squarespace first to avoid payout issues later. Let's get set up. From your Squarespace dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and opens the control center for your site. This is where all your key configuration lives. Inside settings, head to selling. This area groups everything related to your commerce setup, products, checkout, taxes, and the tools that actually move money. Going here keeps all your sales features consistent and centralized, which makes troubleshooting easier down the line. Next, open payments. Think of payments as the command hub for how customers complete their purchase. Here you can see available processors for your region, how your currency is configured, and which options are currently active. It's a good idea to glance over any notes or alerts on this page, so you know if Squarespace needs anything from you. Now select Stripe. Clicking Stripe will take you to a secure authorization screen. If you're already signed into Stripe, you'll simply be asked to confirm the connection. If not, Stripe will prompt you to sign in and verify your account details. After you authorize, you'll return to Squarespace and see Stripe marked as connected. That's your confirmation that checkout can route payments through Stripe. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If you don't see Stripe listed, double check that your country is supported and that you're on a Squarespace plan with commerce features. Only one primary credit card processor can be active at a time, so if you were previously using another provider, Squarespace may show you which one is currently connected. Once Stripe is active, new orders will appear in your Squarespace orders panel as usual, while payouts and fees will be visible in your Stripe dashboard. That's it. Settings, selling, payments, Stripe, and you're connected. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more secure checkout powered by Stripe.